Alright, let me explain this to you like the way I would explain it to a friend. There is a company called Naa Sika. Yes, Naa Sika. And honestly, the way it works is kind of genius. You know how most financial apps make you download something, fill long forms, remember password, update the app every week, all that stress. Naa Sika said no to all of that. They give you everyday financial products, savings, loans, payment, insurance, pension, but they have made it ridiculously simple. And here is the crazy part. You don't need to download any app. Yes, you don't need to download any app. You can manage your money by just chatting. You can manage your money by just chatting. Yes, I'm serious about it. It works through Telegram, WhatsApp, and even USSD. If you have Telegram, you just start chatting. You can send money, check your balance, invest, pay bills, all inside the chat. No extra app. It works on any device and it's free. If you are always on WhatsApp, even better. Most of us already have it on our phones. Just start conversation and manage your finance right there. It's familiar, it's secure, it's end-to-end encrypted. Now, here is where it gets even better. If you don't have internet, just dial *426 *26 hash. *426 *26 hash. That's it. *426 *26 hash. It works on any phone, even those small basic phones. No data needed, no Wi-Fi, instant access. That means whether you are in the city or in a village with no internet, you can still control your money. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe? Good question from you. Naa Sika uses a smart AI-powered chatbot to guide you. It helps explain financial terms in simple language. It can analyze your spending, it can suggest savings plans, and also it can answer questions 24/7. And this is important. The AI does not complete transactions on its own. Every single transaction requires your confirmation. You see each step clearly, you approve it yourself. Nothing happens without you saying yes. So the AI guides you, but you are always in control. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with Naa Sika. First is savings. You can save money easily, set goals, track your progress all through simple chat commands. Second, loan and smart buy. You can buy electronics, furniture, and appliance now and pay later in installments through chat. No complicated paperwork. Installments, they are rolling on SEC regulated product for long-term wealth building. So you are not just saving, you are growing your money. You can also pay bills instantly. Airtime, data, electricity, water, TV, internet. Just type confirm, done. Insurance, yes. Life insurance, vehicle insurance, even farewell insurance, and pensions too. Tier 3 voluntary pensions. You can access 50% after 6 months and the rest continued growing for retirement. All inside a chat. Listen, you will get this all inside a chat. No downloads, no long sign-ups, no stress. And the impact, this isn't just about convenience. Naa Sika is helping families move out of poverty by giving them access to real financial tools. It's helping small business owners in the informal sector grow and create jobs. It's reducing inequality, especially for women and young people who may not have access to traditional banking. Over 50,000 people already trust Naa Sika, and I'm giving you this testimony from myself. Someone introduced it to me and it really changed my life. So I would love you to also join, because sometimes all someone needs is access to save, access to borrow, and also access to grow. And Naa Sika makes that access simple. So if you want to start, you can start on Telegram, start on WhatsApp, or just dial *426 *26 hash on any phone. It's simple. Now listen, if you like content like this, if you want to keep discovering tools, platforms, and opportunities that can actually improve your financial life, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Seriously, hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. We are going to keep breaking things down in a way that actually makes sense. No boring classroom vibes, just real talk. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, share this with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. you.